What's happening, everybody? How y'all doing, man? I'm here, as you can see, laying down in nature. We are receiving the most light on this planet we have yet to receive this week, today. I have never seen more blue and clear skies than I'm seeing today. And I just want all of you to know that do the same as I'm doing and get yourself out in nature. Lay on the grass, lay on the ground, put your feet in the dirt, put your feet in the sand. Now is the time. Make sure you are grounding and centering yourself. It is so important. The moment I got up and I walked away, because I was laying down on the ground, and then I got up after a while, went to go get the mail, came back, I never felt more like just in my body, just really my body feeling heavy, and not in a bad way, just really solid down in my body, connected to nature, Mother Gaia. And the interesting thing is that I've noticed, I used to lay out in the sun and just get really red, really red, like 3rd degree. And I'm not telling you to lay out in the sun for hours. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm just giving you some interesting information that I've noticed. But I've been noticing some things with headaches and, just, I don't know, like, I can't really describe it, but like this light being on my eye, kind of like a periscope looking type of thing where it kind of moves around, and then it turns into like a headache. And right away I said, that's it. My body's calling me to go outside, be in the sun, receive the codes, the DNA activations, the plasma that we're receiving, everything that we're receiving as our light bodies get more light, and as our DNA activates even more. We're receiving codes from the sun, we're receiving light from the planet. And the more you can ground into nature, the more you can ground into Mother Gaia, the better off you're going to be. I promise you, especially this week with all the light that we're taking in, you must be grounded. So eat healthy, eat balanced meals, more alkaline than acidic. I love you all, man. I hope that you're taking care of yourselves and each other. And get outside, get in nature, ground yourself, center yourself. It is so vital and so important. And yeah, I feel like I'm complete. I'm just going to give you a little light language activation to assist you in kind of having a easier time integrating the codes and the DNA upgrades and the body upgrades and the activations that we're all receiving. But as you can see behind me, look at that sky, man. It is so blue, bluer than I've ever seen it, probably in my entire incarnation on this planet. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick light language activation to support your journey wherever you're at, whatever you're experiencing, whatever you're going through, to help you to receive these codes more gently, more easily, and to navigate and move through change more easily and more effortlessly. I hope that this video found you exactly when you needed it, as a reminder to get out in nature, to love yourself. Lay down on this, just lay down, get out, lay down. It's so important, it's so vital. With that being said, Nakatua Motakaya Nekahia Kanakatua Motakaya Nekia Kotua Motakaya Nekahia Kotora Motakaya Anakaya Kana Motakaya Anakahia Nekahia Nakotua Motakaya Nekahia. Get your butt on the grass, get your butt on the ground so that your root is touching the ground. Your feet are solid on the ground. Nekatua motakaya, hianakaya kotura motakaya, anakaya nekahia nekotua motakaya, anakaya kono motakaya nekahia kono motakaya, akania kaya no motakaya nekahia kono motakaya nekahia kono motakaya, Nakahia konomo takaya. Akaini kahia ne kahimo takaya ne kahia konomo takaya. Anakaya ne kahia mo takaya ne kahia konomo takaya. Anakaya ne kahia konomo takaya. Anakaya konomo takaya. Anakaya ne katira mo takaya. Anakaya ne kahia no koto mo takaya ne kahia konomo takaya. Anakaya nekaya kuno motakaya. Anakaya nekatia nakotora motak. Even if it's 5 minutes, get outside, soak up the sun. The sun is so powerful right now. There is not a cloud in the sky. There's nothing hindering it right now. We have the bluest skies I've seen in probably the entire time I've been in human form in this life. No joke. Nakatia nakatua motakaya nakahia kotoro motakaya nekahia katana motaka. Anakaya nekatia nakatua motakaya. Anakaya kanana kotua motakaya nekahia kono motakaya nekahia kono motakaya. Anakaya nekahia nakotoro motakaya nekahia kadeno. Taking these light language activations as they're supporting you in receiving these upgrades and receiving the plasma, the DNA activations, the grounding, the centering, the soaking up of the sun so that you can activate. Nakatura motakaya nekahia kono motakaya nekahia kono motakaya. Anakahia konomo takaya nekahia konomo takaya nekahia konomo takaya nekahia kaneka tua motakaya. Anakahia nekahia kotomo takaya nekahia konomo takaya nekahia kaneka tua motakaya. Nakahia nekahia kotomo takaya nekahia konomo takaya. Hakahi nekahia 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 nekatua motakaya. Akania kainia kateranto motakaya nekaya kondo motakaya nekaya kondo motakaya. Anakaya nekahia nekatoro motakaya nekahia kanaka tua motakaya. Akania kahia kator motakaya nekahia katekatia nekatua motakaya. Akaya nekahia kotor motakaya. Anakaya kono motakaya nekahia kono motakaya. Akania kahia ne katua motakaya. Akania kahia ne katua motaka. Akani kahia ne katia ne katua motakaya. Listen to this as often as you need to. Follow me and Luna on www.darenandluna.com, where everything we're doing is there for you. Nakatia nakatura motakaya. Ground yourself, center yourself, get outside, get in nature, drink water, drink alkaline water, eat a balanced, healthy meal. Nakatia nakatura motakaya nekahia katana motakaya. Hahia kahia nekahia. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Take care of yourselves, take care of your bodies, take care of each other. Drop into your heart, focus on your breath, get in nature, put your feet in the grass. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Take care of yourselves and each other from my heart to yours. I'll see you in the next live, in the next video somewhere around the world. Until then, let's go!